Hi there, welcome back to 110 RC Scale Tales. We're back in the garage. It's another video. Nothing on the shelf there. I've actually made some space for some new projects, some new exciting videos that I've planned for the coming weeks and months ahead in 2024. If you want to see those videos, remember, hit that notification bell for new videos. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, and remember, give me a like if you like this video. So, what's up first? Well, you may remember, may have seen already, just at the latter part of 2023, I put this little video out on the Airfix Quick Build Jeep Gladiator Overland. Great little kit, a lot of fun. You may have seen the video and really enjoyed it, and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to do a couple more of these. So I've got another two in, got another car, got the Ford Mustang Fastback 1968. I actually had the pleasure of driving one of these in the summer of last year, so looking forward to building this little one and see how we get on with this. Looks pretty straightforward. So we'll do a box opening, we'll do a build, and we'll do a review. And finally, with the Airfix Quick Builds, got this one here. It's London Transport Route Master double-decker bus, or affectionately known, or maybe not affectionately known, as the Boris bus. This was designed by Boris Johnson when he was Mayor of London, and it now is a regular sight if you're a visitor to UK capital. This is an Airfix Quick Build again, a lot bigger model. It's about 30 centimeters long and about 12 centimeters tall when it's completed. A lot more parts, take a bit longer. So we're going to do a box opening, we're going to do a time-lapse build, and we'll do a review. So looking forward to doing this one, so watch out for this video coming up in the coming weeks. It's 110 RC Scale Tales, so it wouldn't be the channel without an RC video. And I've got a new RC joining the fleet. It's this one here. It's the FMS Suzuki Jimny. Now, this is not a new truck. This has been on the market for about 2 years now, but just joined my fleet at Christmas time. So looking forward to doing a box opening, do some trail videos, we'll do some modification, we'll see how we get on. So these videos will be coming up in the coming weeks and months ahead. You can see it there, it's a picture. This is going to be a build challenge with RC Adventures. We're going to be looking at the Tamiya kits, and we've chosen the Tamiya MF01X. I've chosen the Fiat 131 Abarth rally car, which you can see in the picture there. Again, we're going to do box opening, we're going to do build video, we'll do some stock running challenges, we'll do some modification, and then we're going to finish off the challenge with some racing at the end, and to see which one is the best. So I'm really looking forward to that, and hopefully we'll have a bit more success with the build challenge. Anyway, I will keep my eye out for other items of interest. We'll also do some truck videos with the RC Tamiya trucks, and we'll do some modification on other vehicles, and of course we'll do some diecast videos too. So lots to look forward to here on the channel. Remember, if you want to see those videos, the best thing to do is hit that notification bell. Please subscribe, let me know what you think of the videos, good or bad, I will reply. I look forward to seeing you on the next 110 RC Scale Tale videos. Remember, keep on building, keep on collecting, keep on trailing, keep on crawling. All the best now. Cheers now. Bye bye.
I make buses.
You make models of buses?
I make models of buses.